Jordan Holdings, I believe is the name. A lot of these really.
Yes, sir. Let me get this situated. Let's get situated real quick. Hold on. Let's go. Let me get situated. Okay. We live over here. Okay, we should be live. Okay. Okay. Let's go. I'm climbing back up thanks to y'all. Let's go. My man Donnie. Welcome. Donnie, how has your experience been so far now that you're with us? Okay, now that you're with King Credit Services. How's your experience been so far? All right, for everyone else, I'm Lewis. We're live on my backup page. Okay, we're live on YouTube. We're live on Facebook. Okay, the Instagram wasn't working, right? But we're trying to be live everywhere now. Okay, we're expanding. We're getting better. Continually getting better. The King is live. Let's go. Sorry, I'm slow to respond. I'm at work. It's all good. All right, you guys, so welcome. I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit repair company in San Diego. Pin your goal so more viewers can notice. Okay. All right. Pin that. All right, yeah, so I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit repair company in San Diego. We can help anybody in the U.S., right? Even though we're based out of San Diego, literally half of our clientele is on the East Coast, right? So we have a lot of East Coasters that we help. But I like to come live just to answer any credit questions people have, because, even though I do own a credit repair company, the point is still to educate people, okay? Still to educate people. She said, we back. Let's go. They can't hold me down. They can't stop your boy. Okay. Yeah, I was suspended for like a week. So yeah, that's why you guys haven't seen me on here. I appealed it and they removed it. They removed the block and all that stuff too. But yeah, man. So it's Free Game Friday, man. So go ahead and just drop your credit questions in the chat. Okay, just drop them in the chat and I'll answer them. Answer any questions. You guys know how I do. I just go down the list, you guys. I just go down the list. So you don't need to double ask your question. All right. You could just ask your question one time. Okay. So we over here live on the main page. We're live over here on the backup page. And then in the middle, this is where we're live on YouTube and Facebook. Okay. So go ahead and drop them questions in the chat, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. Okay, Donnie said, you guys really have helped me so much so far. Just finished round 1. TransUnion is up 25 points. Let's go. He said 15 deletions in round 1. Let's go. I love it. Okay, I love it. So our process, we're really straightforward. We're really transparent about our process. Okay, you can show mine if you want. Okay, all right. I gotta look for it, bro. I gotta look for it. We send like 20 to 40 updates per day. So yeah, I will have to go through the Google Drive and find it. Okay, go through the Google Drive and find it. But all right, you guys can go ahead and drop your credit questions in the chat. All right, we live everywhere. We live on YouTube, Facebook. We live on the backup page over here. We live on the main TikTok page over here. So go ahead and drop them questions, man. We ready. Let's go. He said 15. Let's go. Let's go. Donnie, Donnie, did they send you a review link? Okay, if not, they should send over a review link for you so you can go ahead and drop us a review. Okay. Go ahead and drop us a 5-star review, man. Let's go. Let's go. I have my credit report from TransUnion. I see some addresses that I'm not associated with anymore. What should I do? So for the addresses, again, you should definitely call to remove as many addresses as you can. Okay. You should just call up, just literally going to call them. Okay, you're literally going to call and just say, hey, I got my credit report. I see some addresses that I'm no longer associated with. I need these removed immediately. I don't want you guys getting me confused with other people. Okay, I need these removed, right? So they're going to ask you which address you want removed. You go ahead and tell them. And then if they say, hey, this address is connected to a closed account or something like that, just say, okay, that's fine. And then you have to go dispute that closed account or charge off, whatever it is, dispute that account. And then once that's removed, you can go back and then update that personal information. Okay. But I also have a personal info letter pinned on my TikTok page. Okay. It's like one of the first 3 videos. So if you guys need a personal info, you guys need to update your personal info. You want to call, or then use that personal info letter I have pinned on my TikTok page. But yeah, let's go. And then if you guys want all the letters, all my guides, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit the link in the bio and get that King Credit Bundle. It's super cheap right now. I mean, it's been cheap all year. I lowered the price for a special, and then I never changed it back. So you guys can go run that up too. How do I know when I'm on round 2? In CRC, it'll say round 2, and then also like the messages, the customer service messages and stuff we send, you should receive something. It should tell you. Okay, it should tell you, and then you can ask. Right? Don't hesitate to ask. Just ask customer service. So it's the 908 number, and we also have a new toll-free customer service number because we're expanding. So we have to add the toll-free number because there's a lot of regulations that's going on in the back end that you have to update some stuff. So we have the 1866 number. So we have the 1866 number, and we also have the 908 number. Okay. Yo, Lewis, I got to talk to you on the phone. Alberto, what's going on, man? That's what the customer service is for. What's up? What's going on? What's going on, you guys over here? Again, I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit card company in San Diego. We can help anybody throughout the U.S. Let's go. He said, one big question. So one of the big collections I had isn't showing up on 2 out of 3 bureaus. So that usually means that it got removed, or it's just not being reported to the other ones. Okay. Hey man, if I can afford 2 months of credit repair, y'all could help a brother out. What do you mean if you can afford it? Man, we're super affordable, bro. Like we're, you know what I'm saying? So here, I'll put the number up. Not this about the Honda mem. Oh, okay. Shoot me a DM, Alberto. Shoot me a DM so I can remember, man. Shoot me a DM so I can remember so I don't forget. Okay. Thanks for the follow. Modern. No questions over here. Okay. Let's go. Late payments. Yep. We can dispute late payments too. Hold on. Let me see. Let me change this up a little bit. Hold on. Let me see. Oh no, that's a Sprint account. So these are all new accounts this month. What's this one? Yeah, here we go. We actually got see, people got Navy Fed. They say Navy Fed's untouchable. As you can see, okay, we got that 30-day late on that Navy Fed account. Right? So late payments, yes, we can dispute those too. Hope we can get rid of that one. It was $2,200. Okay. Yeah, see, for collections, the price really doesn't matter, right? It's going to affect your credit the same way. So if it's a $1 collection or a $100,000 collection, it affects your credit the same way, right? It affects it. It's a collection getting added. Okay, I disputed a collection and it says it was removed and I have 0 collection, but it's on my report as closed account. Wait. I disputed a collection, okay, and it says it was removed and I have 0 collections, but it's on my report as a closed account. Okay, so you still want to go in, you want to get that closed account removed, okay? Because for it to turn into a collection, first it was an open account, then a charge off, and then it got transferred or sold to a collection agency. So you want to go in and dispute that account. So closed accounts, it's easy to find inaccuracies on closed accounts, right? So closed accounts is like account numbers, balances, dates, right? Usually that stuff's going to be off. Okay. Oh wait, what's the number? Okay. Let me see. So for signups right now, you guys, so I just got back, right? So I'm not sure how I got banned or why I got suspended the first time. So there should be a lead form. There's a lead form somewhere on this page, right? And if not, you can hit the link in the bio and schedule a consultation that way. Later tonight, I'm gonna figure out if I can put the number back up. Actually, I might do it later on, but I just don't want to do it in the beginning of the live. I don't want to get I don't want to get suspended again. I meant him. I do pay for delete. Do I agree to pay for delete and send the letter, then pay? Okay, so for a pay for delete, thanks for the follow, Mackenzie. Appreciate it. So for a pay for delete, you're going to send the letter first. Okay, you send the pay for delete letter first. The company accepts it, and then you pay, right? You get that documentation first. Okay. Bro, let's get my BK off. Daniel, are you a client? I see you be tuning in a lot, bro. Are you a client yet? Okay. Let's work. Trinity, what's going on? If I do a pay for delete, explain that. Yep, I just explained that. Send the letter first. Yeah, you send the letter first. Because they hate. They do. Right? They do be hating. What's a good second card to get after Discover 8 secured card? 4K limit. You can stick with Discover. Wait. Discover 8 secured card. So Chief, you only have the secured card right now. So you need to have so hit that link in my bio. It says 5 starter accounts. When you click that, it's a Google Doc, right? Scroll to the bottom, and then it says Capital One Platinum. That's a really easy account you can get. You can get pre-approved for that, right? So that Capital One. And then after that, you can stay with Discover, right? Discover got some cool ones, okay? How do I become a client? So there should be a lead form somewhere on this page. If you don't see it there, you can go ahead and hit the link in my bio and then schedule a consultation that way. I'm scared to put the number up because that might have been the reason why I got suspended. So I'm afraid to put the number up. Yes, sir. Over here. Okay, no questions over here on the backup page. All right, no questions. No questions over here on TikTok. On Facebook. None on YouTube. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's go. Portfolio Recovery gave me a pay for delete account. It's still there. Who do I snitch to? Wait. Portfolio gave me a pay for delete account. So they accepted the pay for delete and then you paid it. Okay, Sir Charles, is that what happened? Can late payment history be deleted off? Yeah, you're looking at one right there. Right? We just got this Navy Fed late payment off. We get late payments removed all the time. Now, I will say they're not instant, right? Where people think you can just go click a button and your credit is fixed in a day. No, it's not how it works. Late payments used to be a little bit easier, but now they've slowly become a little bit more difficult to get removed, right? So they used to take 1 or 2 rounds. Now they've been taking 3, 4, 5 rounds, all right? But obviously, that's why I show so much social proof. You can see right there, okay? Navy Fed, late payment removed. Okay, I'm back. I was on my iPad and was having so many typos. Yeah, that touchscreen had you messed up. She want to go viral. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow. Right? Appreciate the follow. And then if you guys want to, you can also follow my backup page at King Credit Backup, just in case I get banned on here again. Thanks for the share. Appreciate it. Thanks for the share. Appreciate it. The people over here on the backup page, you guys can drop your questions in the chat too. Okay, go ahead and drop any credit question you have. Over here on YouTube, Facebook, you guys can drop any credit question you have also. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the likes. Appreciate it. Debt collector sent me certified. Whoa. Debt collector sent me certified mail. Do I go pick it up? Yes. Yeah. You want to pick it up. And then all you're going to do is, if this is the first letter, we call that like a dunning letter, right? They're just letting you know that, hey, they have this account now, and they're giving you a chance to respond or pay the debt. All you're going to do is to send a validation letter. Okay, if you don't have a validation letter, you can hit the link in my bio, get that King Credit Bundle. Has literally all the letters you need. There's 40 plus dispute letters in there, guides, how-to guides, all kind of stuff, right? And it's super cheap. Gotta add. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, we over here with it. All right, a couple people joined on the backup page, but no questions yet. You guys can go ahead and drop them questions, or you can text King to that number right there. Okay, if you're looking for a free consultation. Be back. What's the PG again? It's at King Credit Backup. At King Credit Backup. That's my other page too. It's already removed off my account. Okay, but I'm probably gonna buy your bundle for future, bro. You helped me a lot. Let's go. I love it. Let's go. It says already removed from my account. Gonna buy the bundle. You've helped me a lot. Appreciate it, man. Let's go. Let's go. See that one little nice comment right there? That's gonna last me the month. That's gonna last me the month. Bro, you late. I was 5 minutes late. What you mean? I got the new setup now. You know what I'm saying? I got the new setup, so it took me a little bit longer than I thought. Okay, but let's go over this real quick. Some more people joined. Again, you guys, I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit repair company in San Diego. We can help anybody in the U.S. I come live once or twice a day, just helping people out, answering people's credit questions. So don't be afraid to ask your question. But let's go over this right quick. Hold on. Where's it at? Oh, it's already up. All right, this one right here. Okay, so this client right here, I made a video on this one, right? I don't care who you join with, okay? What credit repair company you join with, okay? This is not acceptable, you guys, right? We're doing our job on the back end. We're getting deletions, late payment updated, right? Why are they gonna go to a dealership and rack up 45 increase, okay? And then if y'all seen the video, they had the nerve to get mad at us, okay? They got mad at us, right? Because their score didn't improve, right? It's like, so also on top of the increase, they also added, I think they added a trade line, but added an authorized user. But the authorized user, it had late payments and stuff on it, right? So that's why you see that over there, that 516. That 516 went down 120 something points because they added a bad authorized user on there. Okay, that's not smart. Okay, and then they reached out to us, upset at us. Okay, come on now. All right, come on now. Should I try adding new accounts while in the credit repair process? Yeah, you can. So if you're with us, reach out to us and we'll send you the links. If you're with someone else, I literally hit the link in my bio, right? Go to my link tree it says 5 starter accounts. So those are 5 easy accounts that you can get. You know, the extra card, that's a soft pull, self-lender. What else is on there? It got the Capital One unsecured card. It has a King Credit secured card, and it has the rent reporters, right? The rent reporter is really good because it's like an aged primary trade line, right? It's going to backdate up to 2 years, right? So those are 5 easy starter accounts that you can go grab. Credit score 450. I mean, Josh, let's work. Josh, let's work. Actually, here. Okay, I'm going to try to put the number up. All right? I hope I don't get in trouble. Hold on. I'm going to put it up for a second. All right? So right there. You see that? Text King to that number there. Okay, text King to that number there. Yeah, I'm snitching. I'm snitching to the BBB. Yeah, go ahead and submit a complaint. Submit a complaint. Do your thing. I had the backup. Oh, let's go. Let's go. No questions on the backup yet. No questions on YouTube. No questions on Facebook. Okay. We still rocking. Let's go. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back to the inaccuracies. Would my name on my credit profile be inaccurate? If it's spelled wrong, yeah, if it's spelled incorrectly, it can be inaccurate. These bureaus are not trying to let go of these collections. Even the collector's not responding. Yeah, so we got to start. I think we just sent something out for you, certified mail, okay? But then we may have to call, okay? We may have to call, right? If they don't answer the phone or answer our questions when we call them, then I'll just submit your stuff to our FDCPA attorney, and they'll take over from there, right? Free. It's still free to charge. It's still the same price for you, right? Nothing extra and nothing like that, okay? Thanks for the join over here. This is the backup page. We're live on YouTube and the main page too, right? I'm trying to get it all popping, get it all in unison. These bureaus are not trying to. Credit score 350. It's not a 350, bro. Credit score is not a 350. 45. How soon do you pull a report? Everything 30 days? No. So we give an update every 35 days. Okay, we give an update every 35 days, right? And I tell people, you know, you want to give it a little time. You don't want to pull it exactly every single 30 days, right? Give it a couple days buffer zone. Okay? Just use your device. Thank you. Cut. Just use your device. Thank you. Cut all old addresses. Okay. Nice. Well, it's only my 4th round also, so there's still ammo. Yeah, we got ammo for them. But yeah, bro, they haven't been responding to your They haven't been responding, bro. So that's actually a problem. That's a bigger problem. That means we either have the wrong address, which I don't think we do, but we either have the wrong address or they're just blatantly not responding. Okay, which is not good either. You know, so we got to figure it out. Got to figure it out. Yes, sir. I see y'all joining. Thanks for the joins, man. Don't be afraid to ask your credit question. Okay, don't be afraid to ask your credit question. There are no such thing as a stupid credit question. All right, go ahead and drop them questions in the chat. Same over here in Facebook and YouTube. Same over here on the backup page. You guys go ahead and drop your credit question in the chat. Let's get it going. Again, looking for a free consultation. You want us. This is for the people that, you know, they don't have the time to dispute and keep up with all of it, with everything, right? They don't have the patience, right? They're busy. Okay, or they work with a credit repair company in the past, right? This is for you, okay? Consultations are free. Text King to this number here, and you'll be good to go. Okay, we'll set you up with a consultation. During the consultation, we look over your credit report, let you know how we can help. We answer any questions that you have. And if you want to sign up, that's great. We'll send you the onboarding, and we get started that same day. Okay. Address is correct. They're just not responding. I checked the letters on 4th round. The address is correct. Okay. Okay. I joined your program last month, just waiting for these deletions to happen. Let's go. Woo, let's go. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's go. I'm excited. I'm excited for these deletions. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, Trinity, you got to subscribe. You guys need to subscribe, okay? The first 10, I'm sending y'all this shirt. Right? The first 10 subscribers, y'all getting the King Credit Club shirt. Hey, nobody got these. Let's go. Let's go. Just waiting. Okay. Let's go. Let's put up some more client results, man. Y'all know I like to show receipts. Y'all know I like to show some receipts. What's this? Sprint. Okay. Now, this one, I wanted to show y'all this one because Sprint, Verizon, AT&T, they have their own internal collection agencies, right? So technically, they're a tier 1, right? Tier 1, that's the in-house collection agencies. So they have their own in-house. So with these type of accounts, when you send a validation letter, right? You send a validation letter, they say, cool, bet. They send you the original contract, okay? They send you all the documentation, right? So a lot of times you have to pivot and do a pay for delete. But with this one, there was like 4 things inaccurate on the account. So we were able to get it removed easily. Okay. And I'll even show you guys the reasons. See right there? US code, what is that? 1681 permissible purpose. Yep. Okay, I'll even show y'all the reasons that we use. Okay, we're actually using the law. Okay, we're not saying this account ain't mine. Okay, we're not saying let's go. Thanks for the subscription. Woo, let's go. We're not saying identity theft, and we're not saying all that nonsense. All right, you can legally get these accounts removed from your credit report. Okay, now it might not be as quick, okay, as the scamming way, right? It might not be as quick. Okay, just subscribe. Let's go. Okay, but when you do it correctly, the right way, it's just a lot better in the long run. Okay, it's a lot better in the long run. All right, but let's go. How much time we got? Hey, where Big Steve at? Where's my moderator? Big Steve. He probably think I'm still banned. Actually, I gotta shoot him a message. He probably think I'm still banned. Let's go. It's just good to be back, man. It's good to be back. All right, you guys, drop them credit questions in the chat. Drop them in the chat. Hey, drop them credit questions in the chat. Let's go. How long should you wait to get a loan from your bank? So that question, how long should you wait? I would wait at least 3 to 4 months because you want to put some deposits in there, build some type of rapport with that bank before you just go ask them for money. Now, credit cards, on the other hand, you can ask for that as soon as you sign up if you want to. All right, but for loans, you want to wait because banks are barely going to just give you a personal loan the day you sign up, right? Even though it's heavily based on your credit report, they do want you to have some deposits and stuff with that bank first. So I will wait 3-4 months, and then go rent it up. Should I just tell you guys who the company is to dispute them to? Yeah. Thanks for the follow. Chapter 48, appreciate the follow. Over here, I see you guys are coming in. Drop your credit questions in the chat. Okay, I'll just go down the list. We live on the backup page, we're live on the main page, and we're live on YouTube and Facebook. Okay, we're live everywhere. Let's go. Should I just tell you guys who the company is to dispute with them? I mean, the company it's on your credit report. So we'll be able to see it. Does that include business loan? No. So that's a little different. Business loans, you guys, I know you see a lot of nonsense, right? I know you see a lot of nonsense. Okay. So business loans, they're different from business credit cards, right? I hate when they say funding. They interchange the word funding, right? I split up funding. Funding for me is actual cash money loans. Right? Business credit cards, that's something different. You know what I'm saying? I split it up. but they all just put it under funding. Now, for business loans, you're going to need at least 2 years tax return. They want to see it. Okay, actually, I forgot what that credit union was. They needed 18 months, right? You got to be with the bank for 18 months, but you need a certain amount of deposits, right, with that business bank account. And you guys can, whoever you're banking with, you can ask them. Okay, you can call them up and ask them, hey, what's your requirements for a business loan? What are your minimum requirements? They'll tell you, right? But usually you have to be 2 years in business. You need 2 years tax returns. You need good deposits, right, for that last 2 years. Your personal credit needs to be at least at 680. You can't have, no late payments in the last year or two. No recent collections, no recent charge-offs, none of that stuff. Okay? It's not Navy, nah. Right? It's a closed account. The closed account is on my credit, but not the collection agency. They emailed me. Okay. So here's how our collection happens, right? It was an open account, then it was closed, and it got charged off. Then that company sold that account to a collection agency or transfer. So the collection is gone, but the original closed account is still on your report. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so we just got to delete it. Got to dispute it. We'll find it in action and dispute it. Okay, that's good that the collection is gone though. Can I get a Navy Fed card with my grandpa who passed away? He was in the Army. Yeah. Yep. If you, I got a video on that. If you hit the link in my bio on my link tree and scroll all the way down, it's a video that says how to get a Navy Fed account. All right, let's go. It was never on my credit, the collection agency. I'll email y'all the deed to my portal. Yeah, just shoot us a message. Shoot us a message to the 908 number or to the 1866 number. Okay, the 908 number or the 1866 number. Nice. My dad passed away. I took care of him, veteran. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, you guys drop any credit question you have in the chat. Let's work. Thank you. Yep, you're welcome. So I can get Navy. Yeah. Yep. Thanks for the likes over here. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right. We still got some people on here, but the questions ain't coming in. Oh, here we go. So I can get a Navy Fed account? Yes, you can. Pledge loan dropped my credit a few points. Is that normal? Yeah, because a pledge loan is still a new account, right? When you got that new account, your average age dropped a little bit. So that's fine though. That's fine. You'll recover from that eventually. Okay. My eviction is from 6 years ago, has crazy interest, but it only shows up on my TransUnion. Crazy interest as in the collection agency is adding interest to it each month? Yeah. Okay. How have you disputed it so far? Dang, appreciate the likes over here. Appreciate it. Thank you. Lewis, we back. Let's go. Hey, Naquan, tell them how hard we be going in the mentorship. Hey, we be going in. What's the minimum amount you suggest? The minimum amount for a pledge loan is $250, right? Like whatever amount you put down, though, that's what's going to be reported. So whatever you can afford, if you can afford 1,000, do 1,000. Okay? Mentorship is fire. Let's go. Let's go. Called them, offered 10%. They said no, 80%. Okay. Hey, that's good. You're getting somewhere, right? You're getting somewhere. Before it was 100%. Okay. So, hey, that's a win, right? So keep working them. Keep working them. Let's go. Do you guys also delete from rental credit report? I think I have an old collection. Yeah. So for those, we opt out. We send you the link so you can opt out of all those, right? But the rental report, like credit code, which one are you talking about? The main one is credit code. I gotta jump on. Let's go. King Credit Bundle, y'all. Get in it in the bio. Let's go. Y'all better get it while it's cheap. Okay? Get it. I'm gonna stop saying cheap. Get it while it's affordable. Okay? Hire car talking about my Honda not eligible because what? Is your car, is it how old is it? And it can't be a salvage title either if you're gonna do hire car. All right. Over here, we got a couple people over here, but no questions. All right. Yeah, I can't really see anything about. I can't even see who's live on the on YouTube and Facebook. It doesn't. I'm using Restream, so it doesn't show me. I can't really see. It's all good though. We working. Let's go. ACV is above physical coverage limit. Huh? I never heard of that. Bro. So you might just have to do Turo then, or get around. So get around is pretty much the same thing, and then Turo, right? You might have to do one of those. But I've never heard of that. It's a 2022 Honda Accord. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. What's hire car? So hire car is a ride sharing platform, right? Similar to Turo, similar to get around. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, that's what I use to rent out my cars, right? And I like hire car better because hire car, the requirements are a little bit the requirements aren't as bad as Turo. Okay, so I think Turo, your car has to be like 10 or 11 years old. That's the maximum. Hire car can be up to 13 years old. In hire car, you can have up to 165,000 miles or something. Turo is like 130,000. So the requirements are a little less strict. Okay. I can't remember. I want to rent a house soon. And don't want to get denied. I don't know where to go to check. How long ago was it? But they have added $1,000 in interest to that eviction, to that lease collection. Damn, yeah, they wilding. Yeah, they doing too much. Yeah. So you need to dispute that, man. You need to send a validation letter over to them. You need to opt out of like Credit Code, LexisNexis, Clarity Services, all those secondary bureaus we talk about. You need to opt out of all that stuff and then go ahead and dispute, bro. I'm trying to work something out. With this Honda before I have to get a repo. Oh shoot, yeah, man. Yeah, we gotta get that figured out. We can't let you get a repo, bro. Okay, that'll set us back. There's been added to person's credit card, help and score. What? Oh, so getting added as authorized user? Yeah, it can help you, but if you get added as authorized user, just make sure that account you get added to, the utilization is under 10%. The age is at least double your average age. So if your average age is 3 years, you want at least 6 years. Okay. And make sure it has a decent credit limit too. I can't pay this month anymore. Oh shoot. 2019, I dipped out of my apartment. Oh shoot. Hey, yo. 2019, yeah, so you're gonna have to deal with that. That's definitely fresh. So that's still somewhere. Yeah, but when you apply for that new apartment, the application it's gonna say, you can ask them who they're gonna pull from, right? They might say Experian, they might say Credit Code, they might say LexisNexis, right? You can ask them who they pull from. Okay. Do you suggest removing student loans or reversing the payments? I don't suggest removing your student loans, you guys. I know a lot of people are worried about their debt to income ratio, but their student loans, a lot of times, that's usually your oldest account. All right. So I don't suggest trying to dispute your open student loans. Now, if they're closed, dismissed, or discharged student loans, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. Right before COVID. Yeah, you might be in a predicament. You guys, stuff with leases and all that stuff, those are difficult, right? They take a little while to get removed. Those take a lot of extra work. All right. Yeah, bro, I really don't want that, but my payment due this 27th. Man. It's not my credit reports though. Yeah, so the eviction or what the account dealing with the lease, it might not be on your credit report, but it's for sure on your secondary bureaus, right? So you need to figure it out. But you can ask the property manager or whoever you want to apply with the property. You can ask them who they pull from. Okay, you can ask them who they pull from. All right. On the backup page, no questions over here. No questions on YouTube. No questions on Facebook. Okay. Just TikTok popping over here, the main page, okay? All right, how much time we got? We got 7 minutes. My credit card closing dates are on the 8th, okay? I didn't pay them until yesterday morning. Was that a bad move? Yeah. What's today? Hold on. Ain't today the 8th? Or is it the 9th? Today's the 8th. All right, so it might report. You might have just made it. You might have just made the cut. All right, because like when I make a credit card payment, the balance it changes right there. Okay, it changes right there. All right, again, you guys, I'm Louis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit repair company in San Diego. I go live once or twice a day, just answering people's credit questions. If you're looking for a free consultation, over here on Facebook, I thought I had the link. I thought I had the link or something, but it's not on here. Next time. Oh, wait, I can type it in. Oh, so okay. So I'm new to Restream. www.joinkingcredit.com. That's the link over there. If you're on YouTube and Facebook, the link is right there. For you guys, for TikTok, the number's right there on the backup page. And then for the main page, I'm going to put it up right now on the 8th. I normally do it 3 days ahead. Yeah, you might have made it, though. You might have made it. But here's the number for the consultations. Where we at? There we go. All right, you can text King. You can text King there to that number there, that 908. I should have been subscribed. Yeah, should have been subscribed. What the hell? Yeah, I'm not that, man. That's weird. Yeah, people getting weird. Oh no. The backup page. People getting weird on the backup page. I might have to cut this one off. They wilding over there. Yeah, they're getting weird. What cards do you recommend for rebuilding credit? Not even actual cards, like which accounts do I recommend? Dude, I don't have a filter on, bro. Yeah, the backup page, they're getting weird over there. So I would recommend Self Lender, a secure card. I have all those. So hit the link in my bio, and on my link tree it says 5 starter accounts. Right? It's just a Google Doc. Click it. It has all the accounts right there that I recommend. There's 5 good ones that you can add right now and start rebuilding your credit. All right. You ain't got no landing page. You don't got to give me your email, your number, nothing like that. Okay, you can just click it and apply for those accounts. All right. Okay, thanks. You're welcome. All right. What time is it? What's a good balance transfer card? Discover It. Right, there's a whole bunch of them, but just get one, with 0% interest. The Discover It, that's the one I kind of use. Discover It's a good one. Thank you. I appreciate the compliment. I'm not going to say what he said, though. Discover versus Wells Fargo. I don't like Wells Fargo. You should see all the videos that I do. Wells Fargo, man, they don't treat people right. So I would definitely go with Discover. Thanks. Can you explain balance transfers? Yeah, balance transfers. Okay. All you're doing is, right, it's usually a large limit. Okay. And then you can transfer the balance of other credit cards to that card, right, for a small fee. Okay. So let's just say you get a $10,000 Discover It card. You got a $2,000 Apple card, a $2,000 Chase card, a $2,000 Capital One card, right? They're maxed out. Those interest rates are probably crazy. So the balance transfer, you transfer those balances all to the Discover It card that has a 0% interest rate for like 18 months, right? So now all that money's on that card, and all those other ones, there's no more interest payments. There's no more, they're just helping you out in the long run. But here's the thing, you guys. The utilization is the same, right? It's just the overall utilization is the same. You're just transferring over to the other card, right? But it's helping you in the long run for the interest payments. Okay. All right. Where we at? 10:59. One more minute. Uno más minuto. Then you good. You gotta pay down. Yep. You still gotta pay it down, but at least you're saving money on the interest payments. Okay. At least you're saving money on the interest payments. Should I make a payment on my original card first before doing the balance transfer, or ask for an increase? No, you can just transfer it, and then make all your payments to that one account. Okay, to that one account. All right, you guys, that's my hour. I'll be back tonight, 4 p.m. Pacific time. Okay, I'll be back tonight, 4 p.m. Pacific time. And then after that, we're doing the mentorship test run. So 4 p.m. Right? Happy Friday, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm glad to be back. And make sure if y'all want to subscribe, okay, you can subscribe. Press that little star right there. Looking for a free consultation, text King there or use the link in my bio. All right, you guys. See you. Oh, forgot about this one. In stream.